for the markets. We have Jay Thakkar who's joining in with what he's tracking today. Jay, hi, welcome to the show. So what's your call both on the Nifty as well as particular sectors such as pharma and metals?
Hi, very good afternoon to you, Ekta. Ekta, I think that as far as Nifty is concerned, it seems to have bottomed out for the short term is what I believe. Nifty has formed a nice falling wedge pattern on the daily charts, quite visible on the weekly charts as well. And we could see that formation also on the hourly chart. So there's a fractal that's been formed. The similar kind of pattern that's been formed on the hourly charts, which is quite visible on the daily and weekly. This is quite, I would say, not a routine thing or a regular thing. It's very rare, I would say, and whenever it happens, the probability of success is quite high. So I would say, looking at this, the probable bottom on Nifty seems to be at today's low or somewhere around 14,150 on a closing basis. And I think if those levels are held well on a closing basis, we can see Nifty bouncing back till the levels of 14,650 to 14,800 in coming days or weeks. So I think that there could be a good sharp short covering going forward. As far as Nifty Pharma and Metal is concerned, Ekta, I think that these are the two sectors which are already in an uptrend, and the momentum on the upside will continue out there. But I think the banking space, the BFSI especially, which has seen good amount of shorts that's been built up, that is likely to see a sharp short covering, and Nifty Auto might also surprise on the upside. So I think these are the two sectors wherein one can focus. From the point of view of short covering, Nifty is going to bounce back, and Nifty Pharma and Metals are likely to continue their uptrend. So looking at this current structure of the market, I think there are two buy recommendations which I have. The first buy recommendation is on AU Bank. The stock has seen a clear 5-wave declining structure and is likely to retrace its entire fall. So one can buy AU Bank targeting 1118. One can buy this with a stop loss of 1010. The risk reward is absolutely in favor of the bulls. And the second buy recommendation is on Bharat Forge. Has formed a similar kind of pattern as that of Nifty, and it has formed a multiple base, and the momentum indicators has also provided a nice positive divergence. So one can buy Bharat Forge targeting 595. One can place a stop loss at 565. Ekta, the only thing is the India VIX that is also rising today, which is which is rare, as in Nifty is bouncing back, and so is the India VIX. But I think that that should settle down once Nifty further sees a breakout. As a disclaimer, I would like to say that these are the two stocks wherein I don't have any personal position. My clients might have it.
All right, Jay, thanks a lot for joining in and giving us those stocks as well as your view on the index. Your view on the VIX is well taken at the high point of trade. But a couple of stocks, they're surging right now. We have Hero MotoCorp. Remember, it has been underperforming for a while. This morning, we had negative news on it as well. So that one's recovered a tad bit from the lows, almost about 3% from the lows, currently in green terrain. And we have Eicher Motors, which has seen a big surge as well at the high point of trade. So a couple of these two-wheelers doing well. But in such times, we go to veterans, and veteran investor Rakesh Jhunjhunwala believes that